Good morning everyone. My name is Rahul Bhoge. I study in class 4B. My story name is The Swimming with the Fish and the Bird Eagle. One day the fish was very happy and it went na 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 na. I am so happy. And it was swimming up and down, jumping and jumping and jumping. And it looked up. It saw eagle was flying high, and eagle was also very happy. Na 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 na. I love to fly. And Swimmy saw the eagle, and eagle saw the fish and said, "Oh, I wish I could swim like Swimmy." And Swimmy said, "I wish I could fly like an eagle." Both of them said, "Let's switch roles." Swimmy jumped out of the water because he thought that he could fly, and eagle went inside the water, bloop, 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 and wanted to swim, but he started drowning, bloop, 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 and the fish was grasping for breath. And just then a boy and the girl were coming along. The boy came and said, "Oh, this is not place where fish should be." Then he picked up the fish and put it gently into the water. And the girl came and rescued eagle. Bloop, bloop, bloop. And now eagle was feeling wonderful, and fish was ha 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 to swim. They looked at each other and said, The fish said, "I'm fine in the water." And eagle said, "Oh, I'm also fine to fly." Swimmy said, "I think we are where we are fine, isn't it?" Eagle said, "Yes, yes, yes." And the eagle flew away. And Swimmy continued to swimming in the deep water. Thank you.